really the only one that I've ever worked on in the lots of loans that I've closed that's actually a really true 100% financing is the USDA loan, which is super hard to get.
That's what I've heard.
Yeah. Right now, it's really, really hard to get. I've literally had a situation where it's a zero down loan because it's a government loan. They still are required to take care of closing costs, right?
Okay.
The buyer had, it was like $5,700 for the closing costs. Well, in this specific instance, again, the loan to be able to approve right now is very, very rare. But the house actually came in higher at appraisal, and so the USDA will actually loan up to 100% of the value of the home. And so he got to finance everything.
Oh, wow.
And so the down payment that he had, he got some gift funds to take care of all that. He got everything back.
So for
USDA,
USDA,
got a check at closing with all the money that he put down in the beginning.
Yeah.
And they got 100% finance. So that's super rare.
No money out of pocket.
Yeah, no money out of pocket to buy a house, and it was like a $365,000 house.
Special situation too.
Special situation.
Yeah,
but I guess
it's possible.
Yeah, right?
They're there.
But like for USDA, I guess, and not to put you at the spot or anything like that, well, kind of.
No.
But what are the areas that
right
qualify?
in the
I know, right?
It is your job.
What are the areas?
What areas qualify for those? 'Cause not every area qualifies for that area or for that loan program.
program.
It just has to be a city, area, township less than 35,000 people. So obviously Salem, Kaiser area won't work. But there's a map that you can look at and type in the address. It'll tell you whether you're eligible. But it's literally a line. So like if you're driving towards Portland and you cross like Wakanda or whatever it is across the freeway, Wakanda forever. It's now eligible. Literally across the street, it's eligible. It's just it has to be outside of the city area, and it's eligible.
Well, and so it is a rural loan, so like that's such a hard word, but
It's
rural. What's interesting though is Woodburn does qualify. So it's like it's
it
very
may not for
clear
long.
that exactly. They're growing pretty quick.
Now, I thought that the condition of the home was also a factor, similar to FHA, right?
Uses an
Financing.
FHA appraisal.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. I didn't mean to turn this into a conversation about USDA because honestly, one person out of 1,000 would probably qualify right now.
Right now, but down the road, Sonny might see this video.
Yeah.
So, with my lending
Always
background,
call your local lender and ask that question.
yeah, I never did USDA's, so you can go above the purchase price on USDA.
Oh.
Interesting. Okay.
Yeah. So for
That's huge.
example, if you find a home for $350,
Yeah.
and the appraised value comes in at $360, you can finance $10,000 of closing costs into the loan. Yeah, because the value's there. So,
You can even finance repairs if that's all.
yeah.